Up next, a 2015 Harley-Davidson FXDWG that stands for Dyna Wide Glide. It's not often the F codes make sense, but in this case they do. This particular specimen in color vivid black. Telltale skinny front tire and a little bit more rake than the norm help identify a wide glide. This particular specimen has barely over 10,000 miles. This has aftermarket pipes, so we're going to go ahead and listen to them. Great looking, great sounding Vance & Hines. The previous owner upgraded to a Mustang solo seat, added a sissy bar and a luggage rack. Apparently he or she liked to ride alone, but still have the ability to carry cargo. This bike is seriously in pristine shape. You already know that it looks great and sounds great. But I'm guessing you're thinking it might look a little bit, okay, or a lot better in your garage than on our showroom floor. The first step to solve that dilemma is to come on out to North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos and take a test ride, test listen, and test look. We're open 7 days a week.